Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Linda.
And we're going to be presenting the one-day, sorry about that. We're going to be presenting the one-day Retail Managers Bootcamp in Toronto, one day only, October 18th. This is going to be an amazing opportunity for every retail manager.
For sure. We always talk about how important our people are, and this is a great opportunity to invest in them and give them the tools to help them succeed, and most importantly, inspire them.
Absolutely. It really is going to be great. Now, in this next series of videos that we're going to be sharing with you, all of them are very short, we're going to give you a little bit of insight into what's inside of each of these modules. Now listen, we're going to teach 7 different modules. It's why we call it a boot camp. It's going to be busy, it's a long day, but they're going to come back armed with lots of new skills and ideas. We get started by talking about the 5 foundations.
By far, one of Kevin's most popular modules that he teaches.
Yeah, absolutely. It's one I love teaching. I've gone around the world talking about this. And the reason this is so good is it's not theory. We give people this proven blueprint on how they can get better productivity out of everybody on their schedule, every team member, every team in and of itself. We show them that they're losing sales, they prove it to themselves, and then they get to work putting the 5 foundations into place.
Right, so they're creating all these ideas that they get to take back to their stores and implement and ultimately improve productivity, but more importantly, stay focused on what they have control over.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's how we get the program started. Most people will tell you that come to our programs where we teach the 5 foundations, that module alone is worth the price of admission. So do yourself a favor and get your managers signed up for this program. It's going to be great.
Stay tuned for our next videos because we're going to be talking about what I'm teaching.
And those are always even better modules. So we'll see your managers in the program, and we'll see you in the next video.
Talk to you soon.